The builder pattern is a design pattern used to stepwise build complex objects. Its purpose is to increase the readability and flexibility of the construction process, especially in the case of objects with many optional parameters. A pattern separates the structure of an object from the object itself, making it easier to customize configurations and prevent errors. In the example, we will create a product that will have 2 required fields and 3 optional ones. First, we will create a builder that most closely resembles the Java implementation. This type of builder may be most useful when there is some more complex logic in the initialization methods. We can now use our newly created builder in the code. There are several functionalities in Kotlin that will simplify our implementation in certain cases. Let's assume that we do not have complicated creation logic, and let's use the possibilities of named parameters and default values. This way we will simplify our implementation. Now we will show you the easiest version using all Kotlin capabilities, useful when we can manipulate or have access to the class we are interested in.